Hey guys, a lot of people have asked, what are the three pillars of wealth? And I will just say this, the three pillars of wealth are number one, tax strategy. Having an advanced tax strategy that goes well beyond just standard deductions and just filing on time. We're talking about having tax strategy that is taking advantage of the type of deductions that you have to be making decent money to get up in the category where those type of opportunities are present. But if you're above 500,000 a year in income, if you're using, you know, traditional tax strategy, then you're definitely missing some opportunities to drastically reduce the tax burden. Number two in the three pillars is leverage. And leverage, I'm talking about specifically here financial leverage. And it's a lot like, think of like a grocery store. You know, a grocery store buys product at one price and then sells them at a slightly higher price. And the way they make money is they've got a lot of they have a lot of products that they sell every day. And what financial leverage is simply buying money at one price and buying an asset at a different price, or having an asset that earns at a better price. And instead of doing it with your own money and having, doing everything on your own, what the wealthiest folks do is they use other people's money, financial leverage. That way they can control large assets and earn the difference between the cost of the money and the return on the money. The beauty of that is you can actually take less risk doing it that way than you can just trying to build wealth on your own. Because when you've got way more funds to work with, even a little difference, just like the grocery store example, makes a huge difference. An example would be, say you could buy money at 4% and earn 6%. The difference actually in return is about a 50% return on your money, only earning 6%. Instead of chasing a stock market trying to earn 15% and risking losing it all. With financial leverage, you can take very low risk investments because it's all about the difference between the cost of money and the return. And the third piece, or the third pillar in the three pillars, is passive income or pipelines that are unrelated to your primary income. And the goal is to control enough passive or pipeline type assets that they soon replace the need for the primary income. At that point, you reach what's called break free. And what that means is that you are free from trading time for money, if you will. So at that point, you can continue to do what you do, but if something were to occur where you couldn't, or you wanted to do something else, you have essentially removed the need to have to work to live the life you want. So that's, when you get to that point, I've seen a lot of clients, the level of freedom that they have and the joy that they have from that point on. A lot of times they're way more successful than they ever were because they've broken free from the have to, now they do what they want to. So that's the ultimate goal. But the three, again, as a recap, number one is have an amazing tax strategy. Number two, have leverage. And number three, have pipelines in place. That is the ultimate goal. And here's the deal. If you have one or two of those, if you have great tax strategy and a little bit of leverage, you're going to do good. If you have all three in place, you're going to do amazing. So hope that helps. I'll talk to you next time.